Following central line insertion, under ultrasound guidance, few syringes with 20 ml normal saline are prepared. Using abdominal probe placed below tip of the sternum, we visualize the heart chambers with focus on the right atrium. We connect the syringe with normal saline to the venous arm of the central line. Open a terminal, and thin, while monitoring flow changes in the right atrium. We might repeat the process. Alternatively, we might as well use the patient's own blood obtained through the venous arm of the central line and flush back in. Right or left position of the central line doesn't pose any difference. If central line is positioned properly, saline flush would yield turbulent flow in the right atrium, which we name the flow sign. In the case of wrong position of the central line and its diversion in wrong direction, the resultant flow sign wouldn't appear. What we have noticed is better distinction of the flow sign when saline is used instead of blood, that we assume is due to density difference between the two. We are now about to see the flow sign repeatedly and in slow motion. In a case of low visualization, the flow sign might be monitored using cardiac probe. A patient takes a classical position for heart chambers examination. The entire procedure is repeated. In this case also, we use 20 ml of normal saline or blood. Since we are using cardiac probe, more distinct flow sign is expected. At the end of the procedure, we close the central line as usual.